You guys see Mr. Crow? He's visiting the front yard today. Sometimes I feed the crows. I'd love to befriend one. You know, I had a former landlord that when I was a child was one of the most vague memories I've ever had. He had a pet crow. And years later, he told me about it. He actually had two, I believe. But I remember as a child, it would fly and land on him. Crows are just beautiful. And you know, they're fascinating creatures. They can play games with each other. They have the intelligence of a 7-year-old child. And they hold grudges. They hold grudges for years. So do not piss off a crow. He's beautiful, isn't he? Or she. God bless you and take care.